Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check the internet speed via Netflix application on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing, you have to go to Netflix application on your device. Okay, after that, select your profile here. And then click on My Netflix option at the bottom. Okay, and then press three line at the top right corner. After that, select App Settings. Okay, and then please scroll down. And then here you can select Internet Speed Test. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check the internet speed via Netflix application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.